Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man. One thing I really love about barn owls is checking out these old forgotten places where they roost and they nest. So I'm just here this evening, just to go and have a look inside this house. So if you want to come with me. Right, I'm inside the house now. See that old chimneys full of jackdaw material. It'll be full right to the top of that. That'll be years of jackdaws nesting in there. So if you look closely there's just the remains of hundreds of pellets. All the fair's just disintegrated now, and there's just all the small bones. All that white you can see is just skeleton remains. Probably 1,000 voles. Right. See some owl pellets there. Certainly been sat in here. See, it would have been sat on this door, yeah. All the old whitewash there would have been sat. Some quite fresh owl pellets there. So a little wander up here. Put my torch on for some additional light. That's not too bad. Turn it on. So all these places I enter at my own risk. You can see there, hole in the ceiling there. There's loads of old pellets there. Some really fresh ones there. There is a good chance they'll be nesting up in the roof. Just have a look in this room here. It's like something off a ghost program. Look at our fireplace. It's just unreal, you know, to think that the family would have once lived here. But a nice happy life, hopefully. Go back through here. Have a look up there. Look up in the roof space. I'll just turn this off a minute while I get my ladders in position and I'll put it back on. Yeah, I'm inside the loft now. By the way, I do have a Schedule 1 licence and I am permitted to visit barn owl nests for conservation purposes. I'm not just some random geezer just having a nosy about. So yeah, as you can see there's a lot of fresh barn owl pellets there. That's towards the back of the loft. I'll just have a little venture over there. Right, I'm just going to go a bit further over that wall there. There seems to be less owl activity the further I go in the loft. So I'll just have a peek over that one. If there isn't much more owl activity, I'll just turn back. I can hear something at the back there. Right, we'll just go over and have a look. It's warm up here. I can see a barn owl in that corner. There's a barn owl in that corner as well. I think these are fully fledged youngsters by the looks of it. No, maybe not, no. Well, there's two barn owls in here. One's got a ring on, so that's definitely not a youngster. So, right, I'll leave them be. I'm just happy that they're here still. So I'll just start making my way back out. Leave me in peace. Right, I've just had a really good look up there, and the conclusion is, because the owls were tight under the eaves and I didn't want to get too close and disturb them, one of them is an adult female and the other one is a youngster around about 8 weeks old. So it's definitely confirmed as a breeding site. I didn't try to get a ring on them. It ain't just all about ringing for me. I just want to know that the birds are here and they're okay. And I'll report back to the landowner and I'll let them know that there are barn owls still in this house. Because old houses like this are very, you know, vulnerable really. You know, you can just come one year and the house is knocked down, but I'll let them know that the barn owls are breeding here. And hopefully this site will remain for a lot more years to come. And that's what it's all about. Conserving this beautiful species just for future generations. That's what it's all about. So, thanks for watching.